Hi, my name's John. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a kiddie's bench from the pallets here. So let's go back in time to yesterday when the weather was nicer and make this. First I'm harvesting the wood from the old pallets. Now to rip some of the pieces down to support the bowl. I'm also ripping down some 2x4s that I had left over from the cubby house build. I'll link the build in the card up above there. Now I'm cutting the pieces down, cutting the nail holes off from one end first. Some nails I had to punch out using a punch here. Screwing the mitre saw to the table and setting up a stop block, again screwing it to the table, cutting the pieces down to 1 metre length. Here I'm cutting down the bowl supports to the dimensions of the bowl. I'm laying the tabletop upside down to see where the supports need to be cut. I'm also cutting a 30-degree angle at each end of the leg. Each of the cuts ends need to be parallel to each other. All the timber is given a good sand down for soft kiddie hands. Sorry about the framing in this first shot. Here I'm screwing down the supports for the bowl. These supports allow the bowl to sit below the table so the top can sit on top of it. Now I've lost the footage of me attaching the legs, but the legs are screwed to the tabletop supports with 80mm screws. Now measuring and cutting down the supports for the bench. I cut 4 lengths to support the bench. Next I screw the bench top to the supports. Hi everybody, it's a day later, weather's not so nice today. I'm post-editing, so I realise I've lost a load of footage on how I made this top. It's just the slats which are bit screwed to the piece of 2x2, and that sits in the middle here to cover over the buckets, the bowl. That sits here, so that's just a top box from Bunnings Warehouse, made to fit in there. Top goes on top to make it a table covered over. You can use the bowl for water, sand. If you like this video, I've got a few other kiddies make videos. I'll link in a playlist already there, and please like, subscribe, comment down below, and take care of yourselves. See you soon.